Is it the lid doesn't lift syndrome?
Yes.
Lever, push it against,
Yes.
and just pushing it up, and then it goes beyond it so that you can lift the thing up.
Oh yeah, I've never done any of these before. These are funny little snip things. So I'm just trying to get the blades out, and then hopefully I can sharpen them without cutting my fingers off. Cheers. And I was a bit nervous.
Yeah.
Not least because the lady who brought them is now a helper here. Is it Jo?
When it's not on, it has like the time and date displayed.
So we would just took all the connectors off and reseated them, and we'll see.
You must be pleased.
I'm really happy.
Yeah.
Brilliant. It's always upset me that it's such a lovely thing and just useless.
Gothenburg.
We can tell you when repair shops.
Oh, they're tiny, aren't they?
Those excluders she's brought.
Right.
So I'll have to get that down to that.
Is he busy?
He'll do you next. Yeah?
There's another option. We could take it away and do it, and then bring it back for you. We'll get in touch, and you can either come to Swindon and pick it up.
Unicorn.
You have to take a picture of this unicorn.
Oh, yeah. No, it doesn't need pack testing.
Just have a cat and wool.
Well, we can
Poor unicorn.
Colours.
Oh, you must be pleased.
Amazing, thank you. Yes, it wasn't doing that before, that's perfect.
Yes.
And your bread maker?
My bread maker's completely mended and we're going to make bread today, aren't we?
Oh, fantastic.
Do you want to see it?
Yeah. Oh, fantastic.
So he said the glue.
You're pleased?
You're really pleased. Yeah. So thank you very much.
We can get you going with that.
So it's a blunt lawnmower blade. It's relatively easy to get off, and it makes a big difference.
Oh, that's good. That's the culprit, and what is it?
Did you?
Well, you got it. You got the stew.
Yeah, well,
A round sack, a wood round sack.
yes, I did.
Lamp under that trip down. No.
Words of one syllable. You can apply a bit of logic. We're wondering if the bulbs are just slightly the wrong size. That might be. So we should be able to see a bit of voltage in here. Which I can't. So,
The dedication of your repairers.
Let's look again.